How to watch local channels on Vizio Smart TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to watch local channels on your Vizio Smart TV, with or without cable. Method 1. Using an HD antenna, free and easy. Step 1. Connect an HD antenna to the coaxial, anti-cable in port on the back of your TV. Step 2. Press the menu button on your Vizio remote. Step 3. Go to TV channels, tuner mode, and select antenna. Step 4. Now go to Auto Channel Scan and let your TV scan for available local channels. You'll now see your free over-the-air channels like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, and more. Method 2. Using a live TV streaming app. If your Vizio Smart TV supports Smartcast, you can use apps that offer local channels. Popular apps include YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling TV, Fubo TV. Steps 1. Press the V button or input button to open Smartcast. 2. Open the App Store or use Vizio Watch Free Plus for free live content. 3. Install one of the live TV apps, sign in, and start watching local channels. Method 3. Cast from your phone if the app isn't on your TV. 1. Open the YouTube TV or Hulu app on your phone. 2. Tap the cast icon and choose your Vizio Smart TV. 3. The content will appear directly on your TV. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tutorials.